All right, people, this is my quick tutorial on Gravit, Introduction to Gravit Designer. It's a free vector-based graphics program that you can get through any browser, or you can download a desktop version. So this is what it looks like, but to get to this, you need to go to the website, which is gravit.io. And you need to make an account. So once you make an account, this will start popping up and you hit start now. It'll take a while to load on a Chromebook. This will be up for a little bit on your Chromebook. But once you get to this page, this is where you can choose what kind of document you want to create or open from your Gravit cloud. Like everybody has now space on their cloud through Gravit, right in Gravit, to save your files to. So if you're not doing that, you're starting something new, you just hit print, and this is what it looks like. This is Gravit's layout. You have layers over here, you have some tools up at the top, and then you have options over here on the right. So the ones you really need to know immediately are the selection tools right here, this little pointer, and then you have the shape tools right next to it. You just hit these triangles and you have all the options come down for shapes, and then same thing for the path tool. These are your different path tools. So you start with shapes, pretty simple. You click to drag out a line. You click to drag out a rectangle. You click to drag out an ellipse. You click to drag out a polygon. And you can also click triangle and star. So you click and drag, you make a shape, and then over here you have all of your appearance options. You can, for star, change the number of points. You can change the size or the distance of the points. You can round the corners right here. And then down here, you can add a fill or change the border. So if you're adding a fill is like the interior color of your shape. You hit the little plus button. It might automatically go to black, but you just change it by clicking on that black circle and swapping your color, picking your color. You can hit click. So now I have a red shape. Same thing for any shapes. You click them and you just add a fill and change the color, any color you like. And then the other option down here is borders. So you can click right here to add even multiple borders. The point is the size. So if you up the point, you can see the size. You can change the colors of the borders. And you can add multiple borders, I believe. Should be able to. There we go. Where'd it go? Hold on a second. There we go. So you can add multiple borders. You just have to change up the width of the border, as in 10 points, 30 points, or 40 points. So regardless, that's how you can change up and create different shapes. The other tools you need to know are the path tools right here. So if you're just starting out, you need to know the freehand tool. You can just drag and draw with the freehand tool. The other one is the pen tool. I'm just going to try to show you the pen tool. You click and then you drag out to make more precise curves. So that's your other option. There's the freehand and then the pen tool. So if you want to edit your shapes, you're going to need to know the selection tools. So this little caret right here gives you options for the pointer tool and the sub-selection tool. The pointer tool edits like an entire shape, an entire path. You can move around, you can resize the entire shape. But if you want to just change one anchor point, you use the sub-selector tool, and this allows you to just grab and move around individual anchor points and their direction handles. So that is absolutely necessary. You need to know those two selection tools, the shape tools, and these drawing tools. Once you get to this point, you are going to need to save. So you go File, Save, and you can save right to the cloud, or you go to Export, and then you can export it right as a PDF and make it 300 DPI, save it to your assignments folder, save. Easy. Hope this helps you get started. Get comfortable using Gravit Designer, because we're going to start using this a lot.